Once upon a time, there was a school called the Intergalactic Explorers Academy. In this school, the most curious and brave children of the universe were trained to explore the mysteries of space. One day, the school's principal, Professor Stella, gathered all the students and made an exciting announcement. "Dear students, we have learned that there is a hidden treasure in the solar system. I will send you on an adventure to find this treasure." Among the students, the most curious and brave were two siblings named Nova and Orion. Professor Stella gave them a special spaceship and a guide robot named Astro Voyager. Their first stop was the sun. Astro Voyager immediately began to explain. The sun is the heart of the solar system. It is a massive ball of gas that constantly produces energy, which spreads out as light and heat to all the planets. Nova asked, "Would there be life on the planets without the sun?" Astro Voyager replied, "Without the sun, the planets would be dark and cold. There would be no necessary heat and light for life." Next, they traveled to Mercury. Astro Voyager explained, "Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It gets very hot during the day and extremely cold at night because it has almost no atmosphere." Orion wondered, "Is there any sign of the treasure here?" Astro Voyager said, "There is no clue about the treasure on Mercury, but there might be one on Venus." When they arrived at Venus, Astro Voyager said, "Venus has a thick atmosphere and its surface is extremely hot. The greenhouse effect caused by carbon dioxide in its atmosphere is very strong." While examining the cloudy sky of Venus, Nova found a holographic map. "This map directs us to Earth," she exclaimed. Next, they traveled to Earth. Astro Voyager said, "Earth has ideal conditions for life. It has water, an atmosphere, and the right temperature for life to thrive." When they reached the moon, they saw a light shining in one of the craters. As they approached the light, it emitted a message, "Go to Mars, the next clue is there." When they arrived on Mars, Astro Voyager explained, "Mars is known as the Red Planet. It has a thin atmosphere and giant volcanoes. Traces of water have been found on Mars, suggesting that there might have been life here once." While digging on the surface of Mars, Orion found a crystal tablet. The tablet instructed them to go to the asteroid belt. When they arrived at the asteroid belt, Astro Voyager said, "This region contains many rocks of various sizes. These are the remnants of a planet that never formed," explained Astro Voyager. They found a message capsule inside one of the asteroids. "Go to Jupiter," it read. When they arrived at Jupiter, Astro Voyager explained, "Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is a massive gas giant with the famous Great Red Spot," said Astro Voyager. Near the Great Red Spot, they received a signal directing them to Saturn. When they arrived at Saturn, Zogina admired, "The rings are so beautiful." Astro Voyager explained, "Saturn's rings are made of ice and rock particles. This planet has the most prominent rings in the solar system," said Astro Voyager. They found a box hidden among Saturn's rings. Inside the box was a hologram instructing them to go to Uranus and Neptune for the final clues. When they arrived at Uranus, Astro Voyager explained, "Uranus rotates as if it is lying on its side. This tilted axis likely resulted from a collision in the past," said Astro Voyager. Here, they found a note specifying the location of the final clue on Neptune. When they arrived at Neptune, Astro Voyager explained, "Neptune is one of the farthest gas giants and has very strong winds," said Astro Voyager. They saw a light shining in a large storm on the planet's surface. As they approached the light, they finally found the treasure. It was a crystal made from the oldest stardust in the universe. After finding the treasure, Nova and Orion returned to Zagonia. Through this adventure, they learned a lot about the solar system and shared the treasure with the other students at the school. Professor Stella said, "Children, this adventure filled with knowledge and discoveries has once again shown how mysterious and fascinating the universe is. We will continue to explore space together," and everyone lived happily ever after, filled with knowledge and wonder.